Hey everyone, Goku here, ready to teach you something awesome. Ever wanted to learn Japanese like a pro? Today, I've got something special for you. I'm going to teach you how verbs work in Japanese, the Saiyan way. And guess what? You can listen to this audio while you work, do chores, or even while you sleep. That's right, you'll be learning the basics of Japanese effortlessly. Get ready to power up your language skills. Let's dive into the world of Japanese together. In Japanese, there are two types of verbs, ichidan and godan. Ichidan literally means one level. Ichidan verbs end with the suffix eru or iru. Here is how you conjugate an ichidan verb. Let's take, for example, the verb taberu, to eat. You simply remove the ru suffix, then add the following new suffix. The negative is tabenai, to not eat. The polite form is tabemasu, to eat. The dictionary form is taberu, to eat. The potential is taberariru, to be able to eat. The volition is tabeyo, let's eat. Here are 10 common ichidan verbs. Taberu, to eat. Miru, to see. Iru, to exist. Neru, to sleep. Okiru, to wake up. Deru, to leave. Kiru, to wear. Kariru, to borrow. Oshieru, to teach. Shinjiru, to believe. Now, godan literally means 5 levels. Godan verbs commonly end with just the suffix bu, but can also end with aru, oru, and even eru or iru, just like an ichidan verb. Although it's more likely that a verb ending in eru or iru is an ichidan verb, the way to truly know the difference is through immersion. Similar in English, you simply know the past tense of run isn't runned, but ran, and the past tense of think isn't thinked, it's thought. Don't you sweat it. You will acclimate to the language during your study. Here is how you conjugate a godan verb. Let's take, for example, nomu, to drink. You must simply remove the u, then take it through the 5 vowels in Japanese. Then add very similar suffixes as ichidan verbs. Just you watch. The negative is no manai, to not drink. The polite is no me mas, to drink. The dictionary is no mu. The potential form is no me ru, to be able to drink. The volition is no mo, let's drink. 10 common godan verbs are iku, to go, hanasu, to speak, kiku, to listen, kaku, to write, yomu, to read, nomu, to drink, kau, to buy, matsu, to wait, tatsu, to stand up, asobu, to play. Now, last but not least, we have 2 irregular verbs that don't fit into either category. First, we have suru, to do. The negative is shinai, to not do. The polite is shimasu, to do. The dictionary is suru, to do. The potential is dikiru, to be able to do. The volition is shiyou, let's do. And kuru, to come. The negative is konai, to not come. The polite is kimasu, to come. The dictionary is kuru, to come. The potential is korariru, to be able to come. And the volition is koyou, let's come. All right, everyone, that's all for today. Remember, learning a new language takes time, but I'm here to make it effortless for you. Stay strong, keep pushing forward, and subscribe to see me in my next video. Kamehameha!